What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today's video, guys, we're going to go over week 15 of my Tesla option trades. So let's get started. So let's check Tesla out. I did go back a month because I did want to see where it was on the 10th. So that was last week, Friday. It's at 748. And on Monday, it absolutely tanked. It actually was down to 11 at one point, just for a split second. So I was tempted to try to buy back the option I had. I had a 760 strike price option for $520 premium, but I just didn't want to be too greedy, and I held on to it. So Tesla did break 760 today. It was at 761 at one point. And I ended up buying it back for $80. It was as low as, I believe, like 15 bucks at one point today, but I bought it back for $80, still making about 460, 440 actually on the trade here. So today's return is $236. But if you look here, guys, it's been 15 weeks. I've made $17,098, so 29% return just on Tesla, just by owning the stock itself. So Tesla, if you see the month, it's been on a pretty good upward trend here. Even if you look at the 3 months, it's just about been on an upward trend. So it hasn't hit its lows in a long time. It has still been a little choppy, but for the most part, it's been going in an upward direction. Even if we check the year out, from, we'll say, May-ish, it's been on an upward trend here. So where it's at, the last time it reached that was April, and then it fell off. But like I said, even beginning of the year, January through early February, it's been in the 800s. So seeing that and seeing it seems like it's going to be still going on an upward trend. I did sell a call option very far away. So I did a $850 call option. December 17th is when it expired. It paid me $2,825, I believe. So that was a pretty decent premium in my eyes. So I did this just in case Tesla hits another run. If it gets to the 800, even low 800s, I'll still feel kind of comfortable that I don't think Tesla will break 850 by December 17th. And if it does, I can always buy it back. But if it doesn't, I would make almost $3,000 in premium. And also, if Tesla went to, let's say, 825, I would make another $6,000-$7,000 on the stock side as well. So I can't beat that. So let's just look at the options. Nothing special here. I just did a sell call, bought it back for $80, made $440. And like I said, I did do that option trade here. Strike price $850 for $2,800, I believe $25 or $2,830 premium. So if you look here, my monthly goal is $1,125. So since my first payment is October 1st, I've been doing this for 15 weeks. I'm already up about $3,000, including this week here. I basically broke even. I'm actually a little bit up. So this kind of gives me a buffer almost till the end of the year, plus that $2,800 premium will get me into January, February, if not halfway through March. So I'm willing to wait it out, but if for some reason Tesla started to tank really bad to get down into, let's say, the mid 6 or even 675, I may buy it back. If I can get maybe half of that premium back, then I would just do my regular weekly trade. So for now, I'm going to sit tight a little bit and see where it goes, because like I said, Tesla's been on a pretty good run, and every time I sell a call, it seems honestly to be going past my option trade. So 50% of the times it worked out, the other times I had to buy it back for a loss. So you can see every time it's a negative here, I have bought it back at a loss, or I did an option trade at a loss. So for the most part, I'm happy where I'm at on the stock side, and I'm satisfied where I'm at on the option side, and still getting $2,800 at that type of strike price. Even if let's say I had to sell it, I would make $9,000 off of the stock side, and I still would get to keep that $2,800 as well. So in 3 months, if I can make another $12,000, $13,000, I'll be perfectly fine with that, just to be honest with you. But most likely, if that happened at that time, I would probably buy it back, really depending on where the premium is at that moment. But if I'm in the positive on the option side, I would still buy it back for a profit. So that's where I'm at now. So I will still keep you updated weekly, but if I don't do any moves on there, at least I'll show you where the option is sitting, if I'm in the positive or if I'm in the red, or if I do plan to sell it. Like I said, if it's $2,800 premium, if it goes down to $1,400 premium to buy back, then I possibly would buy that back and then roll it over for each week, like I've been doing. So that's where I'm at now, guys. Let me know what you guys are doing. Let me know where you guys think Tesla is going to be headed to as well. I think they definitely can break the 800s by December. Don't think they'll get to the 850s or past the 850s, but like I said, I didn't honestly think it'd be at 760 at this week as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please definitely hit the like and subscribe and let me know what's going on with your guys' stock. Thanks.